Alright, what's going on, everybody? Michael Scale Garage, episode 56. Let's drop these accessories on the Jeep. Alright, first what we're gonna do is I'm gonna open up SA0015 so we can grab one of these. Actually, I'm gonna grab both of them because that one has a bunch of crazy glue all on it. So we're gonna grab these two mounts here, and we'll grab the antenna and mount the antenna somewhere. We'll glue the antenna somewhere again. My little Orlando Hunter symbol. How I got that was I cut it off the plastic tree symbol here, and then I just glued it on there and where the little Jeep symbol's supposed to go. So I'm gonna open these carefully by just prying the stapler, because I only need one part, and then I'll put it back on the parts wall. Alright, got those sitting right there. Next, let's open up XS59783 aluminum rear view mirrors kit. Man, they look cool compared to the stock plastic ones. Next, let's open up the rear view mirrors SA0018. We can glue those mirrors on and then pop them on the holders. Alright, now let's get our mirrors back up and running. Will this be like in a shop, like an $800 job? Man, are you for real? I'm out of crazy glue. I'm about to grab some pliers. That mirror on, looks real good. Next, let's get that one on. And when you're pushing these in, it's better to have a new set of these, because yeah, getting them in some old ones with glue, there's no way. You be drilling it out. Got the passenger one on. I don't know. I probably shouldn't have had it so bent in, yeah. That's gonna just fall off. I mean, it's on there. I probably should put some glue on the other side of the mirror itself and glue it to the snorkel. That way it'll actually be held on there. I need to rub a little bit of glue here on the back tail light. Do the same thing on this side. Uh-oh. I think I seen where it fell. Commercial intervention. Alright, now let's go ahead and let's open up XS5979B793BK. Steel Manifold Air Intake Mesh for Orlando Hunter oh35a01 Black. I've been waiting so long to put this on. Let's do it. Don't say extra speed there. It says is that an N? ORIENTRC. It's kind of cool. See how it looks with the black. Mesh grill. That looks kind of cool. There it is with that silver one. Trying to see, I'm gonna put the silver one up there so it's brighter. Alright, here it is with the mesh air intake. I probably should have cut it a little bit. It's more like a personal look right there. I don't know if that's gonna show up on camera. Maybe it depends on how I'm trying to see it on the back of the GoPro screen. I can't really see it. The black grill with the black actual grill, it looks sick. Let's try and see how it look if we can see the fan still. I mean, I can see the metal grill in there. It's more of a personal touch. I can see the grill. I can't really see my fan no more, but oh, that looks nice. I'm gonna brighten the fan up. I'm gonna paint the fan orange. Now it just pops through that black grill. You see it, it's like it's in jail. Looks sick. I like it. Alright, you guys. This has been Micro Scale Garage. It looks really good. Oh, we gotta add its own sleeping bag. That's what we forgot. And we're gonna crazy glue it to the top so that way we don't lose it. Alright, so I like these crawler accessory pit mags for the Orlando. I think I'm gonna put it back here in the back or off to the side. Not for sure yet. Oh yeah. Part number for that was XS597794 for the 135th Rocks Crawler Accessory Pit Mat. Whoop. I'll throw it right here. He's got to carry a radiator. Yeah, it looks cool. We gotta put a bumper back on. We got another bumper on the way from RC Mart. Thank you very much, RC Mart. I think this bumper that's coming is gonna be pretty cool with the little LED holes in the front. So that's why I'm waiting to put the LED lenses in. I gotta wire up, fix a new headlight for them, and then we'll wire up the headlights on the bumper. I think that's gotta be pretty cool, pretty sick. I don't really like this tall bushwhack bar. It's got a shorter bushwhack bar. I can't wait to get that one in. But alright, you guys, this is gonna be it. Again, like, share, subscribe, and as always, RC anyway. I love you guys. Peace out.